Splish, splash, it's time for a bath. Bubbles are popping, we're having a laugh. The water is warm, the bubbles are bright. Bath time is always my favorite delight. Rub-a-dub-dub, in the tub I go. With bubbles that shimmer, like magic they glow. I splash with my ducky and squirt with my whale. Together we sail on a bubble-filled trail. Pop goes a bubble, oh what a sound. It flies in the air, then falls to the ground. Big ones, small ones, they float up high. Chasing the bubbles, I laugh and I try. The soap makes a crown, I'm a bubble king. With the beard made of foam, I start to sing. Rub here, scrub there, clean as can be. Bath time is always so fun for me. The bubbles start fading, the water runs low. It's time for a towel, but I don't want to go. Goodbye to the tub, the bubbles and play. I'll be back again for more fun another day.